Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will see a speech on nature is the best teacher. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak on the topic nature is the best teacher. When we observe natural things closely, we realize that nature itself is the greatest teacher. It teaches us many important lessons every day. The sun teaches us to rise on time and work hard. The trees teach us to give without expecting anything in return. Rivers teach us to keep moving forward in life. Flowers teach us to spread happiness and positivity. Nature also teaches us patience, kindness, and honesty. Birds work hard to build their nests. Ants teach us teamwork and discipline. Every season teaches us that change is a part of life. Every part of nature gives us a lesson. So let us learn good values from nature and take care of our environment. Thank you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.